Now let's move to the second part of the concept stories. Now remember one thing, concept stories are not the ready-made stories. Parents or therapists are supposed to make these stories. And while forming these stories, you have to keep your kid in mind as well as the rules which are there for the concept stories building. An example of such a kind of story is given in a description box below this video. Please check it once. Now, moving ahead, once you are ready with the concept story, it is a time to use it as a therapeutic material. And for that, follow this level of therapeutic applications. In level 1, you have to keep on narrating the story on a frequent basis, then framing a question on the same and answering by parents only. And continue this activity at least for 3 days. Then moving to the level 2, that is narrating story once and then narration of one sentence and asking question related to the same. Here answering will be by the kids and continue this level for at least 4 days. Then moving to the level 3 and as usual narrating the whole concept story once and then narrating only few initial bunches of the sentences and then asking questions on the same and making kid answer. Then the narration of the remaining part of the concept story and question and answer on the same. Now depending on the capacity, story can be divided into 3 to 4 parts and then performing question and answering activity on each part of it. An ample amount of time is needed to master this level. So as usual continue this level for minimum of 4 days. Now moving to level 4 which has sub levels involved in it and narration of concept story before practicing each sub level is compulsory. Let's move to sub level number 1 which is immediately asking the question after narration of concept story. Sub level number 2 break of 5 minutes after narration and then asking questions. Sub level number 3 break of 15 minutes after narration and question and answer on the same. Sub level number 4 break of minimum of 30 minutes and question and answer on the concept stories. Sub level number 5 increase the break time beyond 30 minutes and that is with respect to the kids capacity. Sub level number 6 is a long term target in which parents are supposed to ask kid what do you remember about this particular story and help them remember it.
सफायर के